Good afternoon, welcome to Pecan Creek Farm. Chance and I were doing some repairs, some equipment we're helping sell for an older gentleman who's retiring from farming. So he's had a bunch of equipment sitting out in the field for years upon years. I don't know how long this one's been sitting there, but it's a while. It's a 224 WS John Deere wire tie baler. It's definitely not in great shape. It's in usable shape. We've done some work to it, fixed the belt, greased all the stuff, opened the hatch. Chance found a giant nest in it. Got all the bearing, the chains soaking with some penetrating oil and chain lube. Greased every zerk we could find on it. We were going to try to run it, but we don't have a old school 4-post style PTO. Takes the old square tube. We have a modern one with round, so we can go get a tube. However, Chance was moving it today, and it came off the tractor, hit the ground, and bent the neck. So now we have to cut that, heat it, cut it, and plate it, get it straight again. So that's what you have to say for yourself, Chance. Naughty.
Should have just hooked it to the back of the tractor.
We're trying to move it around with a bucket like we usually do. We just pick stuff up and carry them around, and it just came off. Other than that, it appears to be in pretty, good shape. It's real rusty. It's been sitting a while. I'm sure it works. We're going to run it tomorrow and turn it on, at least see what it does. I'm sure the chains probably will have to be replaced.
Oh, found another grease zerk.
Oh, another grease zerk. Well, we thought we had them all. These little things have 101 grease zerks. We also got a bale accumulator for our square bale operation. We were able to secure one. It's a Holscher. All the hoses are completely rotten, sun-baked. So Chance took those all off today. It's a Holscher. I think it's a 10 bale. And it goes on the Deere. Somebody made a bracket for it. It was definitely not this way factory. They made themselves their own version of a Deere quick attach. We might take that off and put our skid steer style on it. We'll see. But it's in good shape. Everything looks to work. Hopefully the seals and stuff in the cylinders aren't bad. The hoses were completely rotten on it. Just awful, terrible. We also got the other video, the Alice chisel. It's ready to go. We got to grease it, get it all ready to go, and then we have another piece of some equipment over there, some equipment over here, and then we have a whole bunch we haven't even hauled over here yet. It's still about 60 miles, 45 miles from here, 50 miles to here. We have to go get
a good hour.
But it's a nice cold day. It's been real cold here in Oklahoma. It's cold for us. It's been in the teens and in the 30s and 40s in the day. Time has been terrible. We've been doing some dozer work and hey, you name it. We're just trying to stay busy. It's winter. There's not a lot to do. Shame on you. Shame, Chance. Shame.
I've never seen anything like this
yet. He can't let it go. And you guys don't know Chance like I do. He's going to think about this all night long on how to fix it.
It's going to be interesting fixing it.
So we're going to try to cut it and heat it. And we don't have any rosebuds, so we have to go take it somewhere and get it hot. We have to just pull the neck out of it. Just bolts in back here. Just pull the neck out, take it over and see if we can.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Take it and get it. May take it even to Dusty and see if he can just get it hot for us. And try to get it fixed. It's for sale. It's not ours. We're not using it. If anybody on here watches our channel needs an old wire tie baler, it's for sale. In Oklahoma, in the center of the United States, here is pretty much wire tie country. Not a lot of string tie bales around here. Most everything here's wire. I don't know why that is. We just prefer wire down here. It's just basically how it goes. Anyway, well, we got the stuff piling up, so we got to get some of it sold. Anyway, that's just a little quick video on some stuff. I'll get some more pictures of some stuff we're doing. Video rather, of some stuff we're doing, some other equipment. There's a grain cart thing back there. It's for sale also. There's a flatbed next to it. It's just a bunch of stuff. So anyway, just a quick video. Thanks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Pecan Creek Farm. Today we're working on that square baler. We've already gotten it all tore apart. We got the tongue taken off of it and everything. We've also gotten the pieces that were bent cut off of it. Right here. That's the tongue of it, the very front. Got a nice straight cut on that one. And here's the other end. This is what I've got set up right now. We've gotten a foot piece of that pipe. It was a 3 by 4 inch by 3/16 thick. And we're gonna weld that back on. This is the setup that I had to create to try to get it as straight as possible. And then I'm gonna weld that other piece on this end right here. So I'm gonna get a little bit of some welding footage and take you guys along. So give me just a second. Alright, so I'm all ready to go. We're gonna put it on 90 on the Lincoln AC 225 welder we have. I think that's gonna be hot enough. So I don't blast right through this. It's 3/16 like I said. I think that's gonna be good. I have to have a nice thick weld on this. I'm just gonna tack it in place first real fast, and then I'll take the frame off of it. Alright, let's see. I didn't even seem to be blowing right through it, so I need to turn it down a little bit. 35. Okay. That's doing a lot better. I was just a tad too hot. Okay. Alright. Still nice and level, nice and straight. Pretty good. can where I blew right through it. I got a little bit of a gap here, so we'll have to kind of weld on. I just have to go straight down the middle just a little bit and then go on top of it and make it thicker. Let me grind that down a little bit, see where we're at. Yeah, I still got those parts to do too. Tackle that. They're looking good. Alright, let me grind her clean. Okay, got a few spots I gotta fix. And I think that side I didn't get all the way through yet, so I need to come over that one more time. Go ahead and fix that hole. really good. Okay. Man, I already ran that one, did. Wow. Might have to just switch them. I'll run that flathead. It's going to be electric one. Oh, let's see. There's a screwdriver. Well, I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done, and I might bring you a little closer so you can see the welds here in just a minute. So. right, let me show you. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so that's what they look like. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. They look pretty good. It's not hard when you're welding on flat metal and just welding straight up and or straight down on it. That's not hard. I'm gonna clean up the slag a little bit. Ooh, boy. Okay. I'm sure there's some stuff I need to fix, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. Pretty nice, guys. I like it. And like I said, I still gotta fix like some of the corners and clean it up a little bit, make it look better, like this side over here. Okay, I'll come back whenever I'm totally finished. Thanks.
Okay, so Chance has got it all finished. I came back from a dozing job. Be a little footage of that on here. He's got it all welded back together. It's pretty straight. Did a good job, replaced the section that was bent. We would normally take something like this to our welder, but being as in it's winter and finances are a little lower and slower, we had to do this job ourselves. But he definitely probably would have made that look, you know, like a welder would look. But Chance did a fantastic job on that. He's learning, but man, he's starting to get it down. Looks really nice.
Did you get the WD-40?
He's got it all lined back up. No, I can go get you some. But we're glad to be done with that. We got it greased. We need to see if it operates. And then which I'm sure it does. So we can get it sold. Like I said, if anybody's watching, you want to buy it, it is for sale. But we are glad to be done with it. Chance did all the work. I just stood here and said things. Did a really good job. It's pretty nice. Anyway, here's a conclusion video of it. We don't have the PTO shaft for the end of it. We'll have to go get one. I believe we have one inside off of another machine we don't use anymore. We'll try to throw that on there and see what that does. But anyway, long story short, that'll wrap it up for the baler. We do a lot of those. We really didn't do much maintenance. We just greased it. There's just grease zerks everywhere, all over this thing. The older machines were definitely more serviceable for long life. I see a couple more I missed too, Chance.
Yeah.
There's just endless zerks on here. Yeah, there's one here I missed. There's one over there I missed. You found the other day. In the box, the gearbox here. I just put the grease gun up too. But anyway, there's another one in here we missed. There's two more, I'll get those. But we greased it up, put a lot of brand new red grease on it. I think it's gonna work just fine. We've got a pretty good winter storm coming our way here in Oklahoma. It's calling for ice and stuff. We don't get as much snow as we get ice, and we usually get the hanging ice that knocks all the power out. and it's talking 5 and 2 and -12 under wind conditions. So it's going to be a rough couple of days. We got the cows all set up, plenty of feed out, got the barns all clean so they can be out of the wind. We've got a north break farm, north wind break farm. That's the north, that's the south, and they stand in here, get out of the wind. We sold a bunch of our cattle, so we're down to just 13, so we don't have that many. We had a whole lot more, but the market was good enough for us, and we sold. So we got out of some of them. All of our females are pregnant. We have 5, so that's good news for us. We're gonna wrap this video up on the baler. I'm sure Chance is ready to be done with it. It has been a tough repair for him. I haven't really done anything. I ground on it a little bit and helped him pretty it up, but he really did 99% of the work. So appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to continue to put content out. It's been a little slow around here lately, so the content hasn't been as good. So we haven't really been putting out any videos just for the sake of that. We just want to make sure it's at least something entertaining. So appreciate you guys. Thanks.